Hi there, this is Jennifer with Broma Fields, and today we're going to be working on the Garter Stitch Triangles Knit Stitch. And this swatch I am using Lion Brand Woolies Thick and Quick Yarn in Fisherman, and I'm using size 11 knitting needles. You can cast on in multiples of 8 plus 1. So I'm going to do 2 repeats in this. So you want to cast on, for my swatch I cast on 17 stitches. So the multiples of 8, so you want to do 8, 16, 24, and then so on, and then add 1 stitch. So instead of 24 stitches, it's 25. Instead of 16, it's 17. And 1 repeat really isn't enough to really see it all come together. So we're going to get started on row 1, which is all purl stitches. All of our wrong side rows are all purl stitches, which I find very relaxing. And then we're going to do row 2. So we're going to purl our first stitch. Then we're going to knit 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're going to purl that 1 stitch. We're going to knit 7 more, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're going to purl 1, and that's our last stitch. We're going to flip it over and purl all 17 stitches again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now we are ready for row 4, right side row. So we're going to purl these first 2 stitches, 1, 2. Then we're going to knit 5, starting our repeat, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 2, and then we're ready to purl all the way across. Purl 1, purl 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And we're ready for row 6. So we're going to purl the first 3 stitches. So we have these 2 stitches, and now we're ready to increase it 1. So purl 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 5. So we're increasing 1 on each side. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and purl 3. So we have 2, and we're going to increase that 1. All right, so now we're ready for row 7. We're going to purl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Now we're ready for row 8. So we're going to purl 4. Nope, purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 1. Get some more slack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 1. Purl 7. So we're increasing those. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Knit 1 and purl 4. 2, 3, and 4. Now row 9. Purl all stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Works better whenever I have it all squished up or scrunched. Row 10. Now we can see how it all comes together. You can see the diamonds forming, so it's looking nice. And we're going to flip it a little bit. So we're done with those. We're going to knit 4 stitches. 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to purl 1, which is the tip of our offset triangle. Yep, right there. And then we're going to knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Purl 1. Sorry about that. And knit 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the oh so relaxing side of our purl stitches. So we're going to purl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So now we had the tips on, so now we're ready to increase on either side of those tips. And this is row 12. So we're going to knit the first 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to purl 3, increasing on either side of the little point. Now we're going to knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to purl 3. 1, 2, 3, and knit the last 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to purl all the wrong side stitches on row 13. And the oh so relaxing side, have you guys convinced yet that purling stitches is relaxing? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Sorry about that interruption, that nice, quiet, peaceful time. Now row 14, see how those are growing there? So those are our now offset triangles, our second repeat. So we're going to knit the first 2 stitches, and then we're going to purl 5, increasing a stitch on either side of our point. 3, 4, and 5. Then we're going to knit 3. 1, 2, 3, and purl 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and knit the last 2 stitches. We are almost done with the repeat, you guys. One more relaxing row before our final row. So we're going to purl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So this is our last row, row 16. I'm going to watch the increase. Knit 1, purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Knit 1 and repeat. Purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And knit 1 more stitch. All right. And that is the garter stitch triangles knit stitch. So you're doing 2 rows of triangles and just offsetting them. So you start at your point and you watch them grow. So I hope you guys enjoy today's stitch, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.